haunting me again. No shit. I normally don't make videos like this. More scared? Yeah, no problem. I normally don't make videos like this, but I feel like I need to say something better. Okay, nice. I am currently on the... What the fuck does that say? On the MV Hondas. And what's happening right now is real. Very real. Very real. Very, very real. Very, very, very real. What does that say? For all of us. Yeah, cash, check, or you can Venmo me. We're not just a story. How long you been planning this shit? No way. We're not just headlines. Can I put this on my IMDb? Crisis actor? No. Fuck.